I would not put figures on it at this point out, because literally people are making up their minds or confirming previous decisions that they've made, and all I'm saying is that any citizen who's going to the polls on Friday, and whatever view you have, please go and vote. Obviously I particularly want yes voters to go and vote, but it's like all referenda, you're being asked to change the Constitution, in this case to include a small number of words, sentence, to extend civil marriage to people without distinction as to their sex. I think what you have to do is allow every citizen to make the decision that's best for them, best for their family, best for the country. That's what the citizen's job and the citizen's choice, and I respect that choice. I'm confident and hopeful that it will be a yes choice, but at this point in time, making predictions about the outcome, to be honest, let people make their choice and then we'll see on Saturday.